Hello everyone. This video helps you quickly set up the RainPoint Smart Controller app to work. Plug on the MiniBox hub near the router, select MiniBox hub, then enter the Wi-Fi information and go next. Press and hold the button on the MiniBox hub for about 5 seconds until the connecting indicator quickly blinks. Select the checkbox and go next to start searching devices. When device found, please click plus to add the device. Now add the device to your app successfully. Select Gateway to add 2-zone water timer device. Select Next and start searching devices. At the same time, insert the batteries, and then the indicator will quickly blink in red dot. Now you successfully add the device to your app.